Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure Fisch is updated, developer mode is enabled, and local scripts are permitted. Next, prepare a simple macro tool or in-game hotkey and set a conservative trigger rate, around 0, 5 to 1, 0 seconds to avoid flagging. Once done, load a minimal script template that sends the phishing cast command and waits for the bite event. You do this to validate responsiveness, because a small test run avoids larger failures when you scale up to full automation. Once your basic cast works, focus on detection and timing logic. You implement an event detector, audio peak, pixel change, or reading the game packet, so the script knows when to reel. Make sure to add a debounce of 150 to 300 milliseconds to prevent double triggering. Test this across 3 runs to confirm stability. Then, refine cast and reel intervals by adding random jitter of about 10% to each delay, because small variations reduce detection by anti-cheat and emulate human behavior more convincingly. To finish, run a monitored session and collect success rates and error logs for 30 minutes so you can quantify reliability. Make sure to limit continuous runtime, pause every 45 to 90 minutes, and randomize session length to lower ban risk. If something fails, troubleshoot methodically. First, inspect detection thresholds and audio/pixel sensitivity. Next, increase jitter and debounce slightly. Finally, rerun short tests until stable. You do this because controlled iteration catches edge cases and keeps automation robust and safer to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.